What?
This is the FBI. In your hands.
Holy shit. This one cut? No. Kind of sound like that hurt. All right, well then I guess we're gonna go on over here. Huh? What the fuck?
Hey, go back to your house.
This is the FBI. Occupants of 8501. In your hands.
Holy shit.
Hey, you better come down. Get inside.
Yeah, no shit. I just doing my job. Yeah, dude. You want me to? Am I done for the
Hands
day?
up.
Just stay right there.
Walk slowly.
Damn, dude. You guys scared the shit out of me.
Alright. It'll be over in a minute.
Thanks for the warning.
Just seen him, bro.
Holy crap.
He just snuck up like 1 minute ago.
I just looked down and I see these guys right here.
4 cops over there, and there's a SWAT truck over there.
Wait till I tell that to Garrett.
This has happened before. That's why I didn't mind going over there.
Yeah, I did go over there and knock too.
You seem like a cool guy.
Yeah, he seemed.
Well, I mean, I know you what you said.
Damn, they got a chainsaw too.
Probably not as good as yours.
Oh, hell no. I got professional grade. I'm glad I'm sitting down like this when they did that, because I probably would have jumped.
Are you getting this on video?
Yeah, all on my GoPro. I know.
You should see the front, bro.
We're laughing, but they're probably not laughing, man.
They didn't even say anything to me when I walked out there. They're just like,
All right.
over there, I guess.
Yeah. I guess I'll just keep shimmying on down. That's crazy. All right, there you go, guys. There you have it. Elevated off the roof, thinned it out a little bit, cleared the center, did some weight reduction, prevent any damage over the winter. Same thing with this one. This one we mainly got the dead wood, elevated it. A lot of the tips are dying back on this one, so. And this side back here has quite a bit of dead left in it. However, we did not touch it because we have this car and this car in our way. I did have to climb this guy, but overall doesn't look too bad. That's how we do it.